Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to back up the F5OS-A configuration on an F5 rSeries system and export the backup file to external storage. In this demo, we will set the primary key using the F5OS-A command line interface, back up the F5OS-A configuration using the F5OS-A webUI, and export the backup file to external storage using the F5OS-A webUI. Before you begin, ensure that you have administrator access to the F5OS-A system and a secure location in which to store the backup file. The first step is to set the primary key on your F5OS-A system using the command line interface. If you have already set the primary key, you can use the timestamp links below to jump directly to the backup procedure. F5 recommends setting this primary key before every backup to ensure that the primary key is set to a known value so that the same key can be used to decrypt the passwords or passphrases in the configuration when you need to restore the configuration backup. You can only set the primary key using the command line interface, so log into the command line interface as the administrative user. Enter the configuration terminal by entering config. Now set the passphrase and salt for the primary key by entering system AAA primary-key set passphrase. The system should prompt you separately for the passphrase and confirmation, followed by the salt and confirmation. Exit the configuration mode terminal by entering end. Now you can check the primary key status by entering show system AAA primary-key state status. The output should show the status of complete, initiated, and the time and date set. Remember to note the passphrase and salt and keep them in a safe place as they are required during configuration restoration. Next, back up your rSeries system configuration using the webUI. Log into the webUI of your rSeries system as the administrative user. Go to System Settings, Configuration Backup. Select Create. Enter a name for the configuration backup file. Select Create. The system will display a message to indicate the status. Select Dismiss to exit. If your F5OS-A system is running version 1.8.0 or later, to download the file to your local workstation, select Download. If your F5OS-A system is running a version earlier than 1.8.0, go to System Settings, File Utilities. Under File Transfer Operations for Base Directory, select Configs. Select your backup file in Configs and then select Download to download to your local workstation. Depending on your browser setting, the system may prompt you for the location on your workstation. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.